Welcome to Ramjet Bros. It's a bit cold today, so I'm deciding to make one of my favorite desserts for the cold weather, Hungarian Tart. What you will need is 125 grams of butter, 1 cup of soft rising flour, half a cup of sugar, 1 egg, and jam. The first process is we're going to cream our sugar and butter together, then add in our egg, then add in our flour till we get to a nice soft biscuit dough. Then we're going to take the dough, flatten it into our pan, make sure you have some excess left over. You spread over the jam on the biscuit dough, then you grate the rest of the biscuit dough and put it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you have it. And there you have it, Hungarian Tart. Enjoy.